Unboxing the red Ferrari Liberty Walk 308, purchased through Hans Driven. The Ferrari 308, like many sports cars in the era, featured iconic pop-up headlights. The sleek and timeless lines of the 308 were penned by Pininfarina, the same designer behind other legendary Ferraris like the Daytona and the 288 GTO. Liberty Walk added the fender flares and other cosmetic bits to make it look even more aggressive. Let's see how this car goes through the wind tunnel. Use my code JAMESWIND if you want to make an order.